Your truck bed stays exposed to weather, theft, and damage every single day. You need protection that actually works without breaking your budget or requiring professional installation. These 5 trifold tonneau covers solve those exact problems while giving you quick access to your cargo when you need it. Check the description for detailed specs and current pricing on each cover. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, this KUIPERAUTO cover targets the newer Ford Maverick with its 4.6-foot bed specifically. It's designed for 2022 through 2025 models, so if you own an older truck, you'll need to look elsewhere. The soft vinyl construction keeps the price reasonable, and you'll appreciate the no-drill installation that actually works as advertised. The double-sided tear-resistant vinyl holds up better than basic covers, though it won't match the durability of aluminum options. Actually, the 4 horizontal crossbars add structural support that many soft covers lack. And the included weather strip helps with sealing, though some users still report concerns about water getting through during heavy storms. You know what's convenient? It comes completely assembled with everything you need, including a stick-on touch lamp that's a nice bonus. Because Ford Maverick owners have limited aftermarket options, this cover fills a specific gap in the market. The quad-fold design gives you flexibility in how much bed access you want at any time. If you're looking for basic protection at a budget-friendly price, this delivers. Absolutely, the installation is straightforward. Customers confirm it requires no tools and fits perfectly. I do appreciate that they include clear instructions, though you should definitely measure your bed length twice before ordering, since returns might cost you extra fees. Things to consider. The vinyl material isn't as durable as aluminum alternatives, and the waterproofing in extreme weather conditions. Also, it's only compatible with one specific truck model and bed length. Moving up to number 4, this AutoBull cover offers a significant upgrade in materials for Maverick owners. The alloy steel and fiberglass construction provides much better durability than soft vinyl options, though you'll pay more for this protection. It's specifically engineered for the same 2022-2025 Ford Maverick 4.6-foot bed, so compatibility remains limited. The anti-theft security features really set this apart from softer alternatives. Because the hard panels resist cutting and tampering, your cargo stays more secure. And the enhanced locking mechanisms integrate better with your truck's existing security systems. Actually, the all-weather protection is where this cover truly excels. Rain, snow, and UV rays won't penetrate like they might with vinyl covers. You don't get the same flexibility as soft fold options when it comes to partial bed access. But the trifold design still allows reasonable access to your cargo. If you need to haul taller items occasionally, the rigid panels can be more restrictive than flexible alternatives. Absolutely, the precision-cut dimensions ensure a perfect fit, whether your Maverick has a deck rail system or not. The installation process is straightforward, though you'll want to follow the instructions carefully with the heavier panels. I do appreciate the superior weather resistance, but keep in mind that hard covers can be noisier during highway driving compared to soft alternatives. Things to consider. Limited compatibility with only Ford Maverick models. Higher price point than soft covers, and the rigid design offers less flexibility for oversized cargo. At number 3, the capser cover opens up compatibility to the popular Ford F-150 with its 5.5-foot bed. This soft trifold option covers a decade of F-150 models from 2015 through 2025, including the Lightning electric variant. The commercial-grade vinyl construction offers a good balance between protection and affordability. The security clamps and adjustable cover buckles provide extra peace of mind that your cover won't slide or blow off during highway driving. And the reinforced vinyl material resists water, snow, UV rays, dirt, and dust reasonably well for a soft cover. Actually, the completely assembled design means you can install it without any tools, drilling, or modifications to your truck. You know what customers consistently mention? The appearance looks great on their trucks, particularly on newer F-150 models. Because the cover comes pre-assembled, installation typically takes under 30 minutes. If you're concerned about fit, the wide compatibility range means most F-150 owners can find a match. The build quality receives mixed feedback from users. Absolutely, some find it durable and well-made, while others consider it somewhat cheaply constructed compared to premium alternatives. I do appreciate the no-tools installation, but the sealing performance varies. Some users report no leaks, while others experience water intrusion during heavy rain. Things to consider. Build quality can be inconsistent, with some units showing cheaper construction. The waterproofing isn't completely reliable in severe weather, and the soft material won't deter determined thieves like hard covers. Coming in at number 2, the Tyger Auto T3 represents the premium end of soft tonneau covers. This cover fits 2021-2025 Ford F-150 models and the Lightning variant with 5.5-foot beds. The 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl with dual coating provides significantly better durability than standard vinyl options you'll find on cheaper alternatives. The aircraft-grade aluminum frames elevate this cover above basic soft options, providing structural integrity that rivals some hard covers. And the stainless steel clamps ensure a secure installation that won't corrode over time. Actually, the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer excellent support and fold up with the cover sections for full bed access when needed. You know what really impresses users? The waterproof performance during heavy rain. Customers report their gear stays completely dry. Because the cover uses a US patented design, you get innovations that aren't available in generic alternatives. If you have an over-the-rail bed liner, you'll need to cut small holes for proper installation, though under-the-rail liners work without modifications. The limited lifetime warranty for US customers shows the manufacturer's confidence in their product. Absolutely. The installation instructions are clear, and the mounting hardware quality exceeds expectations. I do appreciate how the top portion aligns perfectly with the truck's rail system, creating a clean, integrated appearance. Things to consider. Higher price point than basic soft covers, and installation requires bedliner modifications for some truck configurations. The soft material, while premium, still won't match hard covers for theft resistance. Taking the top spot, this rough country hard tri-fold tonneau cover delivers the ultimate combination of security, durability, and functionality. While it's designed for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2019-2025, with 5.8-foot beds, the quality justifies its #1 ranking. The low-profile aluminum construction with matte black finish transforms your truck's appearance while providing maximum protection. The tri-fold design excels with its quick bed access options. Open 1, 2, or all panels depending on your needs. And the nylon straps secure the cover in the 2/3 open position, so you can drive with partial bed access. Actually, the integration with your truck's tailgate lock and auto latching system provides security that soft covers simply can't match. You know what sets this apart? The one-hand squeeze latches make operation effortless, while the heavy-duty aluminum construction withstands extreme weather conditions. Because the panels use corrosion-resistant powder coating, you won't see rust or deterioration over time. If you're concerned about installation complexity, the secure track and rail system with drain tubes installs without drilling. The 5-year warranty demonstrates long-term reliability confidence. Absolutely, customers praise the light yet strong aluminum panels and perfect fit. I do appreciate the flush mount design that doesn't add bulk to your truck's profile, though some users report water intrusion while driving in heavy rain. Things to consider. Limited to specific Chevy and GMC models, higher price point than soft alternatives, and some users experience water leakage during driving in severe weather conditions. That covers our top 5 best tri-fold tonneau cover options for different truck models and budgets. Hit that like button if this helped you choose the right cover, and subscribe for more truck accessory reviews.